Okay, now here is question. यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ ट्रायंगल्स को तीनटा भर्टिसेसहरु क्वेशन दिएको छ एउटा m3,4 m -1 1 and p 5,-1. They are the vertices of triangle M and P. Now you have to find the equation of median and altitude of triangle M and P drawn from the point n -1, 1. Now there are two words, median and altitude. So you have to know their meaning. Altitude means it's a perpendicular height. It is a perpendicular height, and median means it is a line that joins a vertex and the opposite side, and in the opposite side it should touch the midpoint of the opposite side. It means suppose you have a triangle here M and P, let's say M and okay, let's put n at the top because n -1,1 is given. -1,1 लाई मैले मार्क राखे यहाँ m लेखे यहाँ 3,4 जहाँ पनि हुन्छ आफ्नो p कति भयो 5,-1 p कति भयो 5,-1. अब क्वेशन निकाल्नको चाहिँ मिडियन को इक्वेसन हो. मिडियन भनेपछि मिडियन कहाँको मिडियन भन्दा फाइन्ड द इक्वेसन अफ मिडियन एन्ड अल्टिट्युड अफ ट्रायंगल m and p drawn from the point n -1,1. -1,1 बाट ड्रा गर्ने एउटा मिड पोइन्ट, यो मिड पोइन्ट हो. यो चाहिँ के हो मिड पोइन्ट भनेपछि यो के हो यो मिडियन. यो यसको इक्वेसन निकाल्नु पर्ने. अनि अर्को अल्टिट्युड को पनि इक्वेसन निकाल्नु. अल्टिट्युड भनेपछि यो परपेंडिकुलर हाइट हो, त्यसले स्ट्रेट जान्छ अनि कति डिग्री एंगल फर्म गर्छ 90 डिग्री एंगल फर्म गर्छ. सो यहाँ हेर यसलाई मैले r लेखे यसलाई मैले s लेखे भने हामीलाई nr र ns को के निकाल्नु पर्ने भयो इक्वेसन निकाल्नु पर्यो. ns चाहिँ मिडियन भयो किनकि यो s भनेको मिड पोइन्ट हो. nr चाहिँ अल्टिट्युड भयो किनकि यो परपेंडिकुलर हाइट हो. सो यो दुईटा लाइनको हामीले के निकाल्नु पर्ने भयो इक्वेसन निकाल्नु पर्यो. सोल्युसन लेख्नु. यो थोरै लामो हुन सक्छ तर सजिलो छ. इक्जाम प्राय सोधिने गरेको क्वेशन पनि हो. m 3,4 and -1,1 and p 5,-1 are the vertices of triangle M and P. Now first let's find the midpoint of the side MP. Let S be the midpoint of the side MP. Now coordinates of S are, so S equals to, we can find x1 plus x2 by 2 by using midpoint formula, y1 plus y2 by 2. So MP को midpoint हामीले S मानेको छ. सो यो S को कोअर्डिनेट्स कति हो निकाल्दैछौँ हामीले. S लाई x मा y मान्दा पनि भयो. सो लो सबस्टिट्युट द भ्यालु 3 plus 5 by 2, 4 minus 1 by 2. लो भ्यालु सल्भ मात्र गरेको केही छैन. 3 plus 5 8 by 2 भनेको यो 4 भयो. 4 minus 1 3, 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 यो मिडपोइन्ट भयो. अब हामीले n र s को इक्वेसन सजिलै निकाल्न सक्छौं किनकि n को पोइन्ट्स पनि थाहा छ, s को पोइन्ट पनि थाहा छ. हामीले क्लास 9 मा पढेको थियो फर्मुला इक्वेसन अफ स्ट्रेट लाइन इन टू पोइन्ट फर्म. सो टु विथ द हेल्प अफ that equation you can find the equation of the line ns. Now the equation of the line ns can be obtained by using 2-point formula. Now let's use 2-point formula. The formula is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 x minus x1 or y. So this point is 4, 3 by 2. Now you can suppose it to be x1 y1, you can suppose it to be x2 y2. Now put the value. What is y1? Minus 1. What is y2? 3 by 2 minus, what is y1? 1. What is x2? 4. And this minus it comes to be plus. Now let's solve it. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. Cross multiply is 5 by minus 5 divided by 1 by 2 upon into x plus 1. Let us further solve it. It will be like 5y minus 5 equals to okay, let's cross from here. 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and x plus 1. See, how did I get it? 5y into 2, 10y, 5 2s are 10, and then x plus 1. Now just arrange the term. It will be like x minus 10y plus 1 plus 10 equals to 0. X same plus 10y went back and became minus 10y. You know this, how to solve this one. So your answer is x minus 10y plus 11 equals to 0. This is the equation of the median. Therefore, the equation of the median, what is the name of the median? NR is x minus 10y plus 11 equals to 0. This is how you have to solve it. It's quite easy. Just find the midpoint and then use 2-point formula. You can get the equation of the line NS. Now your question doesn't end here. Your question also has asked you to find the equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude means you have to find the equation of the line NR. Now I'm going to show that one. This is only the half portion done. Now I'm doing it further. Probably I have to rub this one. Okay, fine, I'm rubbing it. Now let's find the equation of the line NR. Now it's perpendicular height. Altitude means it's a perpendicular height. So just you have to find the slope of the line NP and slope of the line NR. And if you have the slope of the line NR and the coordinates n minus 1, 1, you can find the equation NR. के भनेको भने NP को slope निकाल्ने. Find the slope of NP. Slope of NP. You can call it M1. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And what is y2? Minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 3. It will be like minus 5 by minus 3 is 2. This is M1. NR is perpendicular to MP. NR is perpendicular to MP. So slope of NR, that is M2, is obtained by minus 1 over M1. We have already talked about this. This line and this line are perpendicular to each other. So the product of these two lines, that is M1 into M2, will be minus 1. So to find M2, we have to divide minus 1 by M1. So this is what I have done. I have been repeatedly telling you these things in the previous classes also. So I did not explain it further. Your M1 here is minus 5 by 2. Minus minus cancel, and your slope of the line NR is 2 by 5. Now you have the slope of the line NR and you have the coordinates of point N. Now equation of the line passing through N minus 1, 1 and having slope, that is M2 2 by 5 is, now how to find it? Simply use the formula y minus y1 equal to M2 x minus x1 or y. What is your y1 here? x1 y1 1. What is the MP here? 2 over 5 x minus, what is the x1 here? Minus 1. So it changes to first one. Now solve it. 5y minus 5 equals to 2x plus 2. Now for the solvability, 2x minus 5y minus 7 equals to 0 is the required equation of altitude. So this is how you have to do it. It's quite easy. Just find the slope of the line NP and slope of the line NR. Now if you have the slope of the line NR and if you have the passing point, you can easily find the equation of NR. I hope you understand. Thank you.